Once upon a time in a vast jungle, there lived a mighty elephant named Ella and a tiny ant named Andy. Despite their size difference, they were the best of friends, often exploring the jungle together. One sunny day, Ella noticed a beautiful tree with ripe, juicy fruits hanging from its branches. She wanted to reach them, but they were too high for her. Andy, being small, suggested he could climb the tree and shake the branches. Ella agreed, and Andy quickly scurried up the trunk. Once at the top, Andy began to shake the branches. The fruits fell, and Ella caught them in her trunk. They shared the delicious feast and felt grateful for each other's strengths. As they enjoyed their meal, they heard a loud rumble. A storm was approaching, and the wind began to howl. The rain soon poured down, and Andy quickly found shelter under a large leaf. But Ella was too big to fit. Seeing her friend in trouble, Andy had an idea. "Hold on, Ella. I'll help you," he shouted. Andy hurriedly collected dry leaves and twigs to create a makeshift shelter for Ella. It took a lot of effort, but he was determined. Finally, he managed to gather enough to cover Ella from the rain. When the storm passed, Ella thanked Andy for his quick thinking. "You saved me, little friend," she said. From that day on, they realized that no matter how big or small they were, they could always rely on each other. Their friendship grew stronger, and they became an inseparable team, teaching everyone in the jungle that true strength lies in teamwork and friendship.